What are the most powerful military vehicles in the Bosnian Army? Which tough machines make up their arsenal? And how do they measure up against some of the world's most advanced forces? Well, today we'll find out together, exploring the top 10 most powerful military vehicles of the Bosnian Army. We'll focus solely on ground vehicles, leaving warships and aircraft for future contents. But before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting military rankings. And now, let's get started. Number 10, WZ-550. The WZ-550 is a Chinese-made four-wheeled anti-tank missile carrier developed by Norinco. In the armed forces of Bosnia and Herzegovina, it is designated as the Type M92/WZ-550 with 11 units currently in service. This vehicle is equipped with a turret-mounted launcher that can deploy up to 4 HJ-9 anti-tank guided missiles simultaneously. These missiles are capable of penetrating up to 120 centimeters of rolled homogeneous armor, making them effective against modern armored threats. The WZ-550 is powered by a diesel engine producing 290 horsepower, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 95 kilometers per hour on roads. It has a mass of approximately 13.75 tons. The vehicle's armor provides protection against small arms fire and shell splinters, enhancing crew survivability on the battlefield. Number 9, HMMWV. The High Mobility Multipurpose Wheeled Vehicle, commonly known as the Humvee, is a versatile four-wheel drive military vehicle developed by AM General. Introduced in the 1980s, it was designed to replace various light tactical vehicles in the U.S. Army's fleet. The Humvee features a lightweight, high-clearance design, enabling it to navigate diverse terrains, from deserts to jungles. Its independent four-wheel suspension and powerful diesel engine provide both mobility and durability. The vehicle's common chassis supports multiple configurations, accommodating a range of military hardware, including machine guns and anti-tank missile launchers. Over the years, the Humvee has been adapted into various models to meet specific mission requirements, such as cargo transport, troop carriers, and ambulances. Its adaptability and reliability have made it a staple in military operations worldwide. Number 8, BRDM-2. The BRDM-2, an amphibious armored scout car developed by the Soviet Union, has been in service since 1962 and remains operational in various countries today. Designed for reconnaissance missions, the BRDM-2 features a four-wheel drive system with additional retractable belly wheels, enhancing its off-road capabilities. Its amphibious nature allows it to traverse water obstacles, making it versatile across diverse terrains. The vehicle is armed with a 14.5mm KPVT heavy machine gun, complemented by a 7.62mm PKT coaxial general-purpose machine gun, providing substantial firepower for its class. Its welded steel armor offers protection against small arms fire and shell fragments, ensuring crew safety during reconnaissance operations. Powered by a GAZ-41 gasoline V8 engine, producing 140 horsepower, the BRDM-2 can reach speeds up to 100 kilometers per hour on roads and 10 kilometers per hour in water. Number 7, ZSU-57-2. The ZSU-57-2 is a Soviet self-propelled anti-aircraft gun introduced in the 1950s, designed to provide mobile air defense for ground forces. Its name, ZSU, stands for Zenitnaya Samochodnaya Ustanovka, meaning anti-aircraft self-propelled mount. And the numbers 57-2 denote its twin 57mm autocannons. Built on a modified T-54 tank chassis, the ZSU-57-2 combines mobility with firepower. Its open-top turret houses two 57mm S-68 autocannons, capable of firing at a rate of up to 240 rounds per minute. These cannons are effective against low-flying aircraft and can also be employed against ground targets, thanks to their high-velocity rounds. The vehicle's armor provides protection against small arms fire and shell fragments, ensuring crew safety during operations. Its track design allows it to traverse various terrains, maintaining pace with armored formations. Number 6. M113A2. The M113A2 is an upgraded version of the original M113 armored personnel carrier, introduced to enhance performance and reliability. This variant features improvements in suspension, engine cooling, and exhaust systems, resulting in better mobility and durability. Weighing approximately 12.5 tons, the M113A2 measures about 4.8 meters in length, 2.7 meters in width, and 2.5 meters in height. It is powered by a diesel engine, which offers increased safety and fuel efficiency compared to earlier gasoline engines. The vehicle's aluminum armor provides protection against small arms fire and shell fragments, ensuring the safety of the crew and passengers. Its amphibious capability allows it to traverse water obstacles, enhancing its versatility on the battlefield. Number 5. BVP-M80. The BVP-M80 is a Yugoslavian infantry fighting vehicle developed in the late 1970s to enhance the mobility and firepower of mechanized infantry units. Entering service in 1979, it was designed to operate alongside main battle tanks, providing support and protection for dismounted troops. The vehicle is powered by a 260 horsepower diesel engine, enabling a top speed of approximately 65 kilometers per hour on land. Its fully amphibious design allows it to traverse water obstacles at speeds up to 7 kilometers per hour, propelled by its tracks. The M80's armament includes a 20mm automatic cannon mounted in a one-man turret, capable of engaging both ground and low-flying aerial targets. A coaxial 7.62mm machine gun complements the main weapon, providing additional firepower against infantry and light vehicles. With a combat weight of around 13 tons, the M80 features a welded steel hull, offering protection against small arms fire and shell fragments. Number 4. M87. The designation M87 refers to two distinct Yugoslavian military systems, the M87 Orkan multiple rocket launcher and the Zastava M87 heavy machine gun. The M87 Orkan, meaning hurricane in Serbian, is a self-propelled multiple rocket launcher developed in the 1980s. Mounted on an 8-wheel drive FAP-2832 truck, it features 12 launch tubes for 262mm rockets. These rockets can reach targets up to 50 kilometers away, delivering high explosive warheads or deploying anti-tank mines. The system's mobility and firepower make it effective for engaging enemy personnel, armored vehicles, and fortifications. The Zastava M87 is a heavy machine gun chambered for the 12.7 by 108mm cartridge. It is a licensed version of the Soviet NSV machine gun, designed for anti-aircraft and anti-materiel roles. The M87 operates on a gas mechanism with a sliding breech block and is belt-fed, typically with a 60-round capacity. Number 3. M60A3. The M60A3 is an American main battle tank that entered service in the late 1970s as an upgrade to the earlier M60 series. It features a 105mm M68 rifled tank gun as its primary armament, capable of engaging a variety of targets with precision. The tank carries up to 63 rounds for the main gun, ensuring sustained firepower during operations. Weighing approximately 51 tons, the M60A3 is powered by a Continental AVDS 1790-2 C12-cylinder air-cooled diesel engine, producing 750 horsepower at 2,400 revolutions per minute. This engine allows the tank to reach speeds up to 48 kilometers per hour on roads, with a cruising range of about 450 kilometers. The tank's crew consists of 4 members: a commander, gunner, loader, and driver. Its armor provides substantial protection against small arms fire and shell fragments, enhancing crew survivability on the battlefield. Number 2. 2S1 Gvozdika. The 2S1 Gvozdika is a Soviet-era self-propelled howitzer that entered service in the early 1970s. Its name, Gvozdika, translates to carnation in English. This artillery piece is mounted on a tracked chassis, providing mobility across various terrains. It is equipped with a 122mm 2A31 howitzer, capable of firing a range of ammunition types, including high explosive and smoke rounds, with a maximum firing range of approximately 15.2 kilometers. The vehicle measures about 7.26 meters in length, 2.85 meters in width, and 2.73 meters in height, with a combat weight of around 16 tons. It is powered by a YAMZ 238PN V8 water-cooled 4-stroke diesel engine, producing 300 horsepower, allowing for a top speed of 60 kilometers per hour on roads and an operational range of up to 500 kilometers. The 2S1 Gvozdika's fully amphibious design enables it to cross water obstacles without prior preparation, enhancing its operational flexibility. Number 1. M84. The M84 is a Yugoslavian main battle tank developed in the 1980s, based on the Soviet T-72 design. It features a 125mm smoothbore gun as its primary weapon, complemented by a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun and a 12.7mm anti-aircraft machine gun. Weighing approximately 42 tons, the M84 is powered by a diesel engine producing 735 kilowatts, enabling a top speed of 65 kilometers per hour. The tank's crew consists of 3 members, a commander, gunner, and driver. Its armor provides substantial protection, with the turret featuring 410mm of rolled homogeneous armor and the hull comprising a combination of steel and composite materials. The M84 is equipped with an automatic loading system for its main gun, allowing a firing rate of up to 8 rounds per minute. And there you have it, folks. These were the 10 strongest military vehicles of the Bosnian Army. Do you agree with this list? Let us know in the comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see much more rankings like this.